Oh my God, watch that hole. Watch the mud, watch the mud. Oh. Whoa. Walk that way, we don't get all muddy.
At all, bro.
Oh my, get out of the water! Get out of the water! It's in the water! It's gonna, wow. Well, that might be it for that board.
Now I'm wet.
Hey guys, we're gonna go down the road to the conservation area down there, and it's been raining, so we're gonna see how far we can go without getting wet. So let's hit it.
So strong, bro.
Right here. Wait for him. Double rocks. Do it again, I can't get you. Hold on. Ah! Is it burning? Oh my God, that was awesome. Can you get back up? Do it again, do it again. Dude, do it again, that's insane.
It was at this moment that he knew.
You all right? You all right? You all right?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's a whole new phone, bro. Let me see it. Like, show the camera. Turn it. I don't know if you can see it.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Oh, now it's broke. Now it's broke.
Can't shut it off.
Pull over to your left.
We're heading to that big old bridge that we went in the last episode.
A long time ago.
Yeah.
That was not the last episode.
A long time ago. So we're gonna head to the wooden bridge.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Not there, huh? No, it ain't there, Noah. No, bruh. It's just straight. Oh my God, watch that hole. Holy, I almost got it. No, $4,000. Mud right here, mud right here, mud right here, go around. Right here. It's not really bad though. That's what it could be. Yeah, this is the bridge. Getting close. Watch the mud, watch the mud. Whoa, stop. We can walk it?
That way.
Yeah, walk it. Walk it. Walking that way, we don't get all muddy. Well, yours is.
Oh, dude. Come on.
Climb it. Can you climb that?
No.
Ain't no climbing that, huh? Y'all watch out for alligators. Oh, throw at them?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Go with it, Jude. Go walk it. Can you ride around it? Oh gosh. What happened?
He's like, no.
It's pretty obvious. It's right
Bro,
there.
it's pretty obvious there's mud right there. Come on, man.
No warning at all.
It's right there.
This is it. There and back, bro. I love this bridge.
Bro, I don't fucking think at all, bro.
Do I need to tell you about a stick?
Jude, there's mud. Jude,
Jude.
there's mud.
Mud!
Jude,
Jude!
there's mud.
Mud!
Mud, Jude. Jude.
Jude, mud!
Where?
Jude, mud.
Oh, oh, oh.
It was at this moment that he
Oh
knew.
my- Get out of the water! Get out of the water! It's in the water! It's gonna. Wow. Well, that might be it for that board.
Now I'm wet.
Yep, I got you. Isn't there a hole up here we can't get around? Pretty sure. Oh, you all right? Are you sure you're all right? Are you sure you're okay?
Seems to be a tree in the road. Right after you said it's under the root that I can't get behind. Oh, look. That might have been why I fell.
Oh no. Then we can get home?
Yeah.
I don't think so. We'll see.
Oh my God, bro. I'm full of it.
Well, we're gonna have to get home. Did it die? It died? Wow, come here.
Oh, it's gonna scrape out.
All right, close it out right here. You close it out. Noah's not too happy.
What do we do?
Noah's not happy. So close it out.
Guys, we went to see the Great Bridge. Noah's not happy right now. I'm doing the outro. His phone broke. See you on the next one. Peace. I don't know.
Load it up, Jude. No, you want to ride back or you want to just jump in the truck? All right, we're jumping in the truck.
No, right there. It's like straight up. It's like oh.
What do you say? What do you say?
Could have pushed him.
Pushed him. It was deader than a doornail.
I see. I run back. Hold on.
Thanks, dude.
Oh, son.